5 things in your home you are not cleaning but should. Welcome to our FastKlean channel. Check out our videos. You'll surely find something useful for your day-to-day life. We've pulled together some of our best household cleaning tips and tricks to help you get a spotless home. When it comes to home cleanliness, you probably want to stay on top of your chores in the kitchen, bedroom, bathroom, and pretty much every other place. There are plenty of household tasks that you need to cover. Unfortunately, there are probably a few more that you omit from your cleaning schedule. The main reason behind it is not negligence on your part. It is just the fact that doing things as part of a routine can get you to forget some things, and only focus on the same chores. At times, you need to be reminded that certain items and areas of your home need some cleaning attention too. The shower head. The shower head often accumulates a lot of limuscale and sometimes even mold. You don't need to wait for it to start spraying water in 20 different directions before you clean it. Descaling and cleaning this item is easy. You need to tie a plastic bag full of vinegar around the shower head. Use an elastic band to secure the bag around it. You should leave it there overnight and then rinse the item. It will be as good as new. The toilet wall and handle. Like it or not, splashes and splatters in the toilet are a reality you have to deal with. It goes without saying that you should clean the wall behind the toilet. Even if you are regular at cleaning the toilet, you may forget about the handle. Bacteria transfer takes place there, so it should be another part of the area you address during your cleaning session. Doorknobs and light switches. These are an important point of contact item that a lot of people use on a daily basis. If you count just how many hands touch them, you will be surprised. Needless to say, it is important to sanitize these areas to the best of your ability. Spraying a microfiber cloth or the reusable bamboo cleaning cloth and doing a quick wipe is a nice way to do this, especially if you have a big family. If you like our video so far, press the like button to let us know. And please subscribe to our channel to be updated with our new FastKlean videos. Remote control. Another item that sees daily use is the TV remote. You'd shudder if you could see the germs and bacteria covering the surface of this small item. Spray a general-purpose cleaner on a microfiber cloth or reusable bamboo cleaning cloth and give the remote a quick wipe. Use a cotton swab to get between the buttons. You should also sanitize your phone and tablet screen. Read the manufacturer's guides on cleaning to be sure you aren't damaging the item. Light bulbs. Exposed light bulbs tend to accumulate a lot of dust and spoils over time. You can give them a quick wipe every now and then. That way they will be shedding the light you want. How many of these items and areas in your home are you guilty of not cleaning properly? Perhaps now you will be paying more attention to them. Watch our other FastKlean videos below and find out the cleaning chores you need to do only once a year. Feel free to share our videos with other people, including your friends and family, so they'll get to know the best ways to improve their way of living. Let us know what you think about this video. Don't hesitate to drop a comment below and subscribe to our channel. Visit our website fastklean.co.uk for more ideas. Also, we would like to invite you to join our online seminars to learn more about health and wellness. Choose your date in the description below.